Hello, my dear children. Today we are going to start a new lesson, that is Two Travelers from your course book. Now, before we begin the story, let's know what is the story all about. Two Travelers is a picture story describing the kindness and generosity of a gentleman who provides water, food, and shelter to weary travelers who pass his home. The story goes on to tell how upset the gentleman becomes when travelers stop coming to his place. He brings two sugar dolls and feeds them in the absence of travelers. Gradually, travelers begin to show up, and the story ends on a hilarious note. So, children, travelers means people who move from one place to another. Gentleman means a man who has a lot of respect in society. Weary means extremely tired. And hilarious means very funny note. Chaudhry Hari Singh lived in a village in Haryana. His house was next to the main road. So every day a few travelers came to look for water, food or shelter. Hari Singh happily served them with what they wanted. Children, Chaudhry Hari Singh was a generous man who lived in a village in Haryana. And as his house was next to the main road, every day few travelers came to his house for water, food or shelter. Hari Singh served them with food, water and shelter happily. Children, shelter means house to take rest. Hari Singh used to become happy when the travelers ate to their heart's content. Heart's content means fully satisfied. He also used to sit in front of them and asked if they needed anything more. Gradually, he made it a religious practice to serve at least two travelers before taking his lunch. You see, in the first picture, Hari Singh is waiting for travelers, and in the second part of the picture, you find Hari Singh sitting near the travelers who are eating food served by him. And while sitting, he also asking whether they needed anything else. In this way, his days passed on. So coming to the second page, one day no traveler comes to his house. Hari Singh is upset and goes to a small eatery nearby and waits for some travelers to show up. So one day he found that no travelers come to his house, and so he was upset. So he went to a small eatery nearby and waited there for travelers. So eatery means small roadside hotel normally found in villages or rural areas. See, he is sitting there. In the second part of the picture, there is an old man talking to Hari Singh. On finding Hari Singh sitting there for a long time, he requested him to eat something as it was almost 3 o'clock. But Hari Singh replied that he always eat after feeding at least two travelers every day. So that old man went inside and brought two sugar dolls for Hari Singh. Then he said, "These are your travelers today. Take them home and give them some food and then eat." Then Hari Singh went home carrying the two sugar dolls. Considering them as his travelers, he offered them food that you can see in the picture. He continued this process for some days. While doing so, he found any travelers coming to his house, he used to give those sugar dolls to his son Ramu to eat. Gradually, Ramu also developed a habit of waiting for the travelers and to eat the sugar dolls. He named the sugar dolls as travelers. Then one day, A very funny incident took place in his house. One day, two travelers came and knocked at his door and requested for food and shelter for some hours. Hari Singh received them well and said he would arrange some food for him. While they were eating the food, Hari Singh was sitting with them and talking. At this point of time, Ramu came in and expressed his joy on finding the travelers eating food in his house. Now he was sure that he will get the sugar dolls. So he asked his father if he can get the sugar dolls to eat. Here what happened? He didn't use the word sugar dolls. He asked his father for the sugar dolls by the name he has given them. So he asked his father saying, "May I eat the two travelers?" Then Hari Singh replied to his son saying that, "Let the travelers eat first." On hearing this conversation, both the travelers got scared and started running away. Hari Singh was greatly surprised and started running after them, requesting them to stop and come back. Seeing this, the villagers surrounded them, thinking that they had stolen something from Hari Singh's house. Both the travelers expressed before them that both the father and the son were planning to eat them up. The travelers requested the villagers to save them. Then Hari Singh reached there and told the villagers and the travelers the entire story. Everyone laughed and went their way. The two travelers then returned to Hari Singh's house. Hari Singh also cleared that his son wanted to eat the sugar dolls, to whom he named as travelers. So children, this is the end of this story. Thank you for watching and have a nice learning day.